can we make cinematic content with the DJI Nano? Well, let's see. Isang struggle ng ganitong camera is wala kang blurry background, wala kang autofocus. Everything is fixed. The main challenge is to work with what you have. And what you have is very small. Small sensor, small battery capacity, and a decent internal storage. Okay, tama na yan. Let's try making static cinematic content and a little bit of moving content. Tingnan natin kung papasok ang DJI Nano sa cinematic scene. Diba? Try! Inspirational. Wow, very inspirational. Ooh, inspirational message. Content creator, cinematic daw. Oh my gosh. Very inspirational. Walk, 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 and then we're done in 3, 2, 1. Oh. So here's the question. Para sa'yo ba ang DJI Nano? Kung may questions ka pa about this camera, just comment down below.